to Accra in 2000 to continuous learning and professional development. Simply Disu's sojourn in the Nigerian Police Force.
It is with great honor and humility that I stand, or rather, I sit before you today as the newly appointed Commissioner of Police for the esteemed Rivers State. I am deeply grateful to His Excellency Governor Siminalayi Fubara for extending a warm reception and granting me this opportunity to serve and protect the good people of this great state. First and foremost, I would like to acknowledge the significant security challenges that Rivers State faces. I am fully aware of the complexity and gravity of the situation at hand, having served in the state as the DPO Elimbu, DPO Lenwon, Commander SARS, Commander Anti-Kidnapping, and Assistant Commissioner of Police in charge of the State Criminal Investigation Department, State CID. However, I believe that with our collective efforts and unwavering commitment to collaboration, we can overcome these challenges and create a safer environment for all residents. As I assume this esteemed position, I bring with me a set of strategies aimed at actively addressing and resolving crimes within our jurisdiction. We will adopt a proactive approach to policing, one that emphasizes intelligence and foresight, enabling us to identify potential threats before they materialize. Through enhanced surveillance, intelligence gathering, and efficient resource allocation, we will strive to stay one step ahead of criminal elements. Equally important is the principle of policing with consent. We recognize the importance of fostering positive relationships with the community we serve. Effective policing can only be achieved through mutual trust and understanding. I am committed to establishing open lines of communication and engaging with the residents of Rivers State, including the youth, women, and all other stakeholders. Their insight, perspective, and active participation will be invaluable in our mission to maintain law and order. Your Excellency, sir, I humbly beseech your cooperation and support as we embark on this journey together. Your guidance and leadership will be instrumental in shaping the direction of our efforts. I am confident that with your assistance, we can forge strong partnership between law enforcement agencies, government institutions, and the community at large. By working hand in hand, we can build a formidable force against crime, ensuring the safety and security of every resident. In conclusion, Your Excellency, I wish to express my deep gratitude to His Excellency the Governor, Siminalayi Fubara, and the Inspector General of Police, IGP Olukaode Adeolu Egbetokun, PhD, MPM, for entrusting me with this crucial responsibility. I assure you, sir, that I will devote myself wholeheartedly to the task at hand. Together we can create an environment where our people can live, work, and thrive without fear. Let us embark on this journey of friendly and effective policing, united and resolute for the betterment of Rivers State. Thank you, sir.
Your resume, as read by Eringa Koko, has said it all. Your experience, your knowledge in the job, it shows that at this particular time in our dear state, when security is not really has been propelled, I need to say that, but maybe because of mismanagement of a particular situation, we'll find ourselves in this kind of quagmire. We believe that you're coming in, not just as a new person, but somebody who already understands River State. Is going to be an added advantage for us as a government to fight security in our dear state. So let me on this note welcome you on behalf of the government and the good people of River State. You are not a stranger You're already a member of Rivers State from what we have seen in your record. For me, I have to say it the way it is. I want you to be professional. That is the only request I want to make. As a government, we will give you all the necessary support to do your job professionally. I'm saying this because even if you decide to go the other way, one day you'll be asked to give account of your deed in the state, not just the state, any other place. So I advise you, as a gentleman, a professional, a judo man, Abi, use all these things. Eh? Help us to solve our problem. On our part, we will give you the necessary support. I am for all. I am not for any particular person. My interest is the peace and development of our dear state. Today, I'm sitting here. Tomorrow, I might not be here. But what is important is the record and the legacies we are going to leave behind. So let me thank you again, because I know you came with all your heart. I know you're here to give service to your country. I know you're here to return favor. The favor is this: the Inspector General wouldn't have sent you here if he doesn't have that confidence in your capacity. You coming here today to start working here is also to help us support the dream and aspiration of our president, who has said that he tagged his own hope, renew hope. It is only when we work together we start achieving, conquering from our states, that it now extends to the country. So I want to appeal to you, appeal to your team. Work together. The government have a listening ear. The government will not request for anything that is abnormal. The only thing government will request: fight crime justly, be fair to all, and we'll continue to give you our support. For our dear state, the CP has already said it, he has a strategy. We must all come together and work as a team. Crime is not a business of just the police. Crime is a business, if we have to achieve it, everybody has to come together. That is a community thing. Those people who commit this crime, they live in houses, they live in communities, they live in villages, they live even in the city, they live in compounds, they live in yards. Information is important. So I'm urging everyone to give the new brand CP all the necessary cooperation for him to succeed. I need to also add this. The last CP that just left, our brother Emeka, his degrees were too much. Oh. So please, my new CP, the only advantage that you have over that one is that you have physical strength to fight. So it's going to help us in what we're doing. So let me, on this note, thank every one of you and wish you the best service here while you're here in our dear state. Thank you.